Exercise, standing resistance band, chest fly. Setup instructions, step by step. 1. Band position. Wrap the resistance band around your back at about biceps level, just below shoulder height, under your arms. Hold the band handles or ends firmly in each hand. 2. Stance. Right foot forward, left foot back. A staggered stance for better stability. Keep a soft bend in both knees. 3. Body position. Lean your torso slightly forward, a bit of a hunch, but not rounded spine. Keep your core braced to avoid overarching the lower back. 4. Arm position. Start with arms extended out to the sides, palms facing forward or slightly inward. Elbows slightly bent, soft bend, not locked. Movement execution. 1. Exhale as you bring your arms together in front of you, keeping that slight bend in the elbows. 2. Squeeze your chest muscles as your hands. Come on, close but not necessarily touching, in front of you. 3. Inhale as you slowly return to the starting position, resisting the pull of the band. 4. Repeat for desired reps, e.g., 10 to 15 reps. Muscles worked. Primary muscles, targeted. Pectoralis major, main chest muscle. Pectoralis minor, under the major. Assists in movement. Secondary, stabilizers. Anterior deltoids, front shoulders. Biceps brachii, as stabilizers during tension. Serratus anterior, muscle along the ribs. Core muscles, for stability during the movement. Tips for form. Avoid letting the band snap your arms back. Control the motion both ways. Focus on squeezing your chest, not just moving your arms. Don't round your entire back. Just a slight forward lean is enough to tension the band. Keep wrists neutral. Don't bend them inward or outward. Please check my next video.